Ranger beads, old school land navigation. Now ranger beads go hand in hand with your pace count, and I've done a video on how to get your pace count here on my channel. Ranger beads have been around for a while, and they allow you to keep track of distance that you've traveled in a wilderness area. Nowadays people use GPSs, but again, when GPS goes down, you need to know how far you've traveled, and ranger beads are one technique to do that. They're very simple to use. You can purchase them online on Amazon or any outdoor store. And they're comprised of a 550 cord with beads on the bottom and beads on the top. Each bead on the bottom represents 100 meters and each bead on top represents 1 kilometer. Now in land navigation, we utilize the metric system when it comes to distance. So you can attach this to your backpack, or some people put it on their belt. I like keeping it on my backpack because it's up high and I can slide the beads down easier. Every time you travel 100 meters, you're going to slide 1 bead down. And you're going to continue doing that every time you hit 100 meters till you get to your 10th one. Now, you know when you get to 1,000 meters, you've gone 1 kilometer. Then you're going to go to the top and slide 1 down. Now you know you've gone 1 click, and you're going to reset the bottom beads and you're going to continue on. Now it's one technique to utilize. Some people use sticks or pebbles. They put one in their left pocket. When they get to 10, they put one in their right, and they know that they've gone 1 kilometer. But a great way to keep track of your distance, especially if you don't utilize a GPS or if your GPS goes down. Old school land navigation, something you need to know and keep in that box of basic skills when it comes to navigating in a wilderness area.